In this video, we'll show you how to edit an existing event. First, make sure you are logged in as an administrator. From your main navigation, select Admin and then Events. Then either click on the event name or on Edit Event from the Manage menu. You will now be able to make any amends to your event. Once you have completed your amends, click on the Update Event button. And that's it, you have now successfully edited an existing event. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.